Hello everyone. In my channel says Bracket. So today we will continue our blog website, and in the last video we have created some of the changes and in our website that we have removed some of the pages and our that download button. So in this video we will edit our home page and we will customize according to our need. And so first we come to your WordPress and click on pages. So then click on home page and then click on edit. After that, we have come to our WordPress editor. So here we will can see our complete blog website. Now there are so many different sections that we don't want. So some of the sections we will remove from this page. So that page, that sections will be like this one. Like this section has no need for in blog website. That's why we will first select it and then click on options, then remove sections to remove this. After that, we want this section. There's also, but we'll go to don't want we don't want this image. So remove this all. Like this, remove this, that section. Firstly, you have to just select it and click on backspace to remove that section. So here are the plan and pricing section. If you want, then you can uh take this, but if you don't want that, remove this. So meet our team. So we don't want this section right now. That's why we will remove it. And then this also client review. Also in a type of a blog website, there are there is no need for the client reviews. So we will remove this, and that we want this our success stories, so that we will uh, take this section. Now latest post blog. So remove this also. So that section there that I don't need, and removing that. So this also has a no need in this type of website. So I have removed all of the sections that I don't need. So now we will make some changes in this section, like changing this title. So here we will write latest blog post coding. So this will be our coding blog website. So here instead of this, we will write see our latest blog about new coding languages, technology trends, and other things. So you can write like this. After that, we'll change some of the, like here we can write look for key users And here can write 20 plus blog post. Okay. Um, yeah. 10 categories. And here we can hide plus creators. And now click on update website to update all of our changes in this home page. Now you have to firstly come to the start of your website, and here is a section in which we will make some changes, like instead of this color we will add an image. So here is our layout banner. Let's try to importing this section. Push. So the that section which I have imported, it has come. So I will take it and drag it to the up direction. Like okay, remove this section because we will make the changes in this page on in this section of it. So that's why we will go up to settings, and you have to find background. Find the background, and here is the color. But instead of color, we will add an image here. So when you will click on the, if you want to insert an image here, so click on image, and so there is no image which we have to add in this website. So firstly, I have already downloaded an image that you can add here. I will share the link of the image in my description. Uh, so I've already created an image. So firstly, select this block. After that, find come to in settings. Click on settings first, and then click on background. Then you will show up here two buttons. First with the custom color you can choose, and the second option is for selecting an image. So what we do, we will click on image and add a background image for this section. So select image, and then you have already know that how we can upload our custom images or files in our WordPress. So after that, here is the option for draw files to upload. So open your folder and drop your file in this section. After that, here you will get a select option. Select it, and your image will be show up here. After that, the image is repeating itself, so that we will select first repeat, and then in that select no repeat, so that the image will not be repeated for every time. After that, we have the option for size. So the size for the image it will be covered, so that the image will look like this in this video. I can see this in this section, but in our website it will be looks like different. So Before moving to our website, firstly we will remove this image and also this section also, and then click on update. Now refresh the page and the background image will look like this. Then we have to come to your page and then select this image, select this text, and then align it at the center. Then you have to change the color of the text. So firstly you will get the option, find the option for color. So at the last, second last, you will find color option. So change the color of the text. The first option is for changing the color of your text, and the second one is for the background color of the text. So we don't want to change the background color of the text, so we will uh, change it to white so that it will be looks great in the background of black or the dark color. After that, we have to also change the color of this background. So select it and then first align it. In the sidebar, you will get the option for aligning it at the center, and then color. Color, it will be little bit gray like this. So select properly and okay. But you can use controls that shortcut key to undo your changes. So now align it properly. Yes. And also the button. First select it and then align it at the middle. Now what we have to do, we have to update our website, update it, and let's see the changes in our main website. So all of the changes are made perfectly. Our button is not looking okay. I think we should refresh again. Okay, update it again, and let's check why button is not coming in our website. Okay. So guys, here we will write instead of this title, we will write our website name, that is again, coding again, and this inverted comma we will write unleashing our coding excellence, like this. So write it in your website and click on update. So also we have to change this paragraph also. And instead of this paragraph, we will this is a demo paragraph. So here we will write our introduction of our website and some of the major changes, and then we'll continue to change the other page. So guys, क्या बोल So, guys, instead of this demo text, we will write this. Explore the world of programming and unleash your potential with coding. This again will write coding again. Blog. Now, update the site. Uh, so let me know now, guys, update the website. Let's just tell that. So, guys, one more thing is now, I think our content has already changed. And now, come to your website and refresh the website to see the changes which we have done. So all the changes are looking here. So after that, what we do, we have select this cards, and now whenever you will select this different cards, we are giving a hover effect on these cards. So now select the hover button and then select the color. So here we will add the color dark. So whenever I will hover on this card, it will show this black color. Like so, you have to apply this setting in all of the cards. Select that card, background, hover, change the color like this. Select the card, background, hover, then change the color like this. Select it, select back up, hover, and change the color. And and now update the website and see all of the cards. Whenever I take our mouse on that, change of color or so our hover effect is working. So now we'll wrap up here, and other changes we will create make in the next video. Till then, keep learning and explore this WordPress and also the editor which we are using it. So first, don't forget to update the website and meet you in the next.